Hey everyone, let me introduce you to a really fun project. This one is the Martelli Minute. We actually have it in 3 sizes, but it is a template set that is 2 pieces, and that's all that you need to make this a fantastic project. Again, with all of Martelli templates, they have our fantastic grounding fabric on the back, and this one has you place it on the fold. So when I set my template on the material, it grips it and holds it in place so I can easily cut all the way around. It has little cut lines right here, so your rotary cutter will go right into those grooves so that you can easily cut all this out, and it comes out perfect every time. Now the template set does come with full written instructions on how to utilize the accent piece that's in here, but let me show you the finished project. This one is so much fun. It goes together so quickly, and your friends and family, your kids will absolutely love it. This again is the UNI-TOTE. Why did we come up with that name? Because it's universal. So we shortened it down instead of being universal, we're calling it the UNI-TOTE. Super, super easy. Showing you how to make the straps. You just need a little fabric, a little bit of cotton batting, or you could use some fleece in here. Full pockets on the inside, a little bit of webbing, a zipper, and look how fun this project is. This one here is our regular size, and it's got boxed corners, and you can see where the accent fabric goes right here in the corners. And this is done with a large print. How pretty is this? And it's big and roomy, and you can put a lot of things in here, and it's just fantastic. But we wanted to show you it in a couple of other sizes. This one is our regular size, but we also have what we call the UNI-TOTE small, and that's this one right here. Look how adorable this one is. Just the perfect little size for just, storing maybe your cosmetics or for the little girls in your life. Look how fun that is. And here I added some fun faux leather on it, so it just sewed up really nice and sweet. And again, so easy to do. Just a fun project. But there's one more size. Let me show you the large. And here's the big template, the large template set that goes with this one. And this one works great with large prints, or maybe, you could pull out a panel, and I'm going to show you that because I love projects with panels. Here's a large print from Cape, and this is a big bag with the big pockets on the inside. Look how fun this is. Again, you got your big accent pieces, a big roomy bag that you can put a lot of things inside this bag. This one is so much fun, and again, it goes together quickly. So if you're wanting to make some projects and make a bunch of these and sell them, they go together quickly. They're not hard at all. Full written instructions on putting this together. Have to show you the last one. This one was done with a panel. Look how beautiful that is. You can dress them up for the seasonal. This was a sunflower panel. Isn't this just absolutely gorgeous? I was actually going to put a big sunflower on here, but this one's fun. Again, one of those projects that goes together quickly. I've made this out of leather. It's a project that goes together with leather. This again is the faux leather on here, fabric, faux leather, felt, whatever that makes this accent look really good. Again, this is our UNI-TOTE, the Martelli Minute. There's 2 pieces to it, and it comes in 3 sizes. You can get the regular size, which one is this one, or you get the small, or you can get the large. So be sure to pick up yours today.